Dr. Maria Lourdes de Leon, President and Chairman of the Board of Iloilo Doctors College of Medicine Incorporated, Dr. Ludovico Hurao Jr., Dean, College of Medicine, Dr. Rosalinda Palmares, our Associate Dean, Dr. Selena Vilches, College Secretary, Dr. Jocelyn S. Musquete, our guest speaker for this 36th commencement and second virtual graduation ceremony, untiring faculty and staff, proud parents, fellow graduates, guests, friends, and our online viewers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Who would have thought that our supposedly 2 weeks quote-unquote bakasyon turned out to be an endless quarantine status and cancellation of classes? It is without a doubt that this academic year is unlike anything we've ever experienced before. Our usual activities and interactions have been thrown into disarray by this COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone was gravely affected. The face-to-face duties and classes were prohibited, some businesses were closed off, death cases were constantly rising, and communities were still on lockdown. I am pretty sure that this was not how we clerks envisioned our last year of medical school to be, but it is definitely an experience and a memory that we will never forget. We may be named as the Google Docs, online or pandemic clerks, but one thing is for sure, we are now graduates of the degree of Doctor of Medicine. Let these losses impel us from excitedly experiencing our first Zoom meeting for clerkship orientation, first virtual class, first Gisahan endorsement, first PowerPoint to present as our very own didactics, and our first e-Numan session with friends and groupmates. They say clerkship is hard. I say online clerkship is harder. In a field where it needs our communication, we fail to interact with our patients. We miss those, "Hello sir, kamusta? Anong ginabatsyag mo?" Doctor-patient relationship, a patient seeking medical help, and a doctor giving his expertise to give service. When the pandemic happened, fear interrupted this relationship. Patients were afraid to seek consultation because of possible COVID-19 diagnosis. Doctors were scared to get infected from consulting patients. We were living in a bubble and nobody wanted to approach a stranger. But in the past generations, we have undone that. We can't live in fear. We pushed and strived and adapted and hustled. We juggled 4 sheets, making PPTs, taking online tests, and videotape performance tasks and other responsibilities. Despite the unpredictable and unconventional year we all had, we can all proudly say that we have finally made it. After 4 bountiful and challenging years of medical school, the seeds of our determination have borne fruit in the form of our diplomas and these black and blue togas. Today, let us sit back, enjoy, and celebrate the culmination of all our efforts. If there's something that I have learned during this pandemic, other than dancing TikTok videos and downloading PowerPoint templates from the internet, it's that life's too short to dwell on what ifs and should have beens. Death does not discriminate. It is the destination we all share. The increasing number of COVID-19 cases serve as a frightening reminder that any day could be anyone's last. There's an end that makes everything much more precious, remembering that everything and everyone we can have can be taken away at any time. It makes us realize what truly matters in life, and that is to dream fearlessly, to work passionately, to live meaningfully, and to love selflessly. With that being said, I encourage my fellow graduates to be fearless in the pursuit of your definition of success and happiness. Be selfless when it comes to love, because love is self-giving and the world needs more doctors who have compassion and kindness right now. And most importantly, we gotta know how to think intentionally. Don't let distance hinder us from expressing our gratitude to the important people in our lives. On behalf of the class of 2021, I would like to thank the administrators led by Dr. De Leon and Dean Dr. Hurao for providing us the tools and resources we needed to succeed in medical school and later in life. You have inspired galaxies of greatness within us. We shall treasure our wonderful stay here at Iloilo Doctors College of Medicine forever. To all our faculty, residents, and consultants, you are true heroes of today. Thank you for enthusiastically connecting the dots to shape every student's potential. We know that this pandemic was always challenging for all of us to explore the world of internet. Your love for teaching transcends distance and technology. You have truly inspired each of us to be a better 5-star physician. I won't miss this opportunity to thank Ma'am Janet, Sir Nonoy, Ma'am Leia, Nong Ramin, Sir Boyet, and Ma'am Lisa. You all have been part of our daily lives in our stay in IDCM. Thank you for taking care of us. Our victory is yours to triumph. A quick thank you to Kapit BC clerks, now the KB graduates. You guys are the best friends anyone can ever have. Thank you for being my home away from home. From day one of our school year in 2017, your support has been consistent. My achievements are our group's achievements. Salamat gid. To Durder, thank you for believing in me when I was in doubt to myself and especially listening to my rants. Thank you for always reminding me that everything happens for a reason and that every setback is a setup for a great comeback. You have inspired me more not just to become better, but helping me to become the best version of myself. A quick shout out to Guinesamix 4 Pesos and G4P22 2021. Thank you for trusting me to become your leader for 12 months of clerkship. Thank you for putting fun in our tragic online classes, and we have put each other's sanities intact. You are the group that everyone is praying for. To my fellow graduates of Batch DSV 2021, you have my utmost admiration for the strength, bravery, and dedication that you have shown to get through these trying times. May the lessons that we have learned and the bonds that we've shared here in our beloved school inspire us to cross oceans of our dreams. Thank you for being the Pabibo, most active, and yes, we really are living the hashtag Laban21. Allow me to recite few lines from a song. I hope someday we'll sit down together and laugh with each other about these days. All our troubles will lay to rest and we'll wish we could come back to these days. Also, let us take this moment to show our gratitude to our loving families, most especially our parents. More than anyone else, they are witnesses of our ups and downs in all our endeavors. We love you all so much and we are so blessed to have you all. As they've always said, budlay magdoktor pero mas budlay mangita kwarta para magpaskwela doktor. I hope we made you all proud. To all our frontliners, doctors, nurses, medtechs, aides, janitors, and allies who keep on fighting on behalf of the world, you choose to live with the oaths you swore. Your sacrifices will be rewarded with love and admiration. Soon, we will begin to fight with you hand in hand. Together with the help of the public getting vaccinated, we will fight for our loved ones and for our motherland. Most importantly, let us give our praises and glory to Almighty Father for the gift of life, wisdom, and love. We thank you, Lord, for another fruitful and successful school year, filled with hope, joy, and learning amidst our current predicament. While another chapter of our lives has now come to an end, another one slowly begins. That is our internship. I know that the future seems bleak and uncertain, and I want you all to know that it's okay to feel scared and lost and confused. But remember that we will one day reach our end, where all these anxieties will be inconsequential. So try your best to work passionately, to dream fearlessly, to live meaningfully, and to love selflessly, to avoid any regrets in the end. As my favorite saying goes from Romantic Doctor Season 1, if there's something worse than failure, it's regret. I hope that we all pursue our passion and fulfill our purpose. Our dreams are valid and we will not let anyone tell us otherwise. We will set this world on fire with our brilliant inner light while dancing in the storm in our best dress. May we carry in our hearts the experiences we have shared and the values that we have learned. May we continue to soar high to greater heights in our next adventures in this wonderful journey that we call life. Wherever the road may take you, never forget that through courage, love, and faith in God, everything is possible. We just have to trust the process. I know we're all excited to get out of this bubble. Hintay lang, kapit lang, sandali na lang. Once the world comes back to normal, we will be seeing everybody's faces and sweet smiles. For now, we have to choose and keep on choosing to keep moving forward. This is Dr. Ian J. D. Garampial, Batch 2021, Decimus Sapientia at Virtus, Class First Honors, proud Mindanaoan, proud online clerk, and proud IDCMian.